guys, I am so excited to be sharing with you another guest design team for DIY ArtBin Store on AliExpress, and I'll have all the links down below for this cute, adorable, stinking die. Now, this is also part of my hashtag Creepy Carnival Challenge 2021. So if you are into creepy Halloween or creepy cute Halloween, this will definitely go for the creepy cute. Okay, so I just wanted to be able to show there are different ways to use dies. And actually I was watching Tamika this morning, and she had created a purse die, or actually it was a mini album die and turned it into a purse. So and that's exactly how I repurposed this cute little gingerbread girl, and this is what I came up with. Is she not stinking cute? Oh my goodness. So the paper collection that I use is a digital paper collection from Lace Boutique 1 or Anna's Wonderland on YouTube. And I will have her links down below, but I use the Sweet But Wicked collections 1, 2, and 3. And I believe the Ferris Wheel of Terror is where you're going to find this little candy bits right here. There's like a bunch of them. I hope so. Anyway, if I'm mistaken, I will get that link for you and add it in there. Throughout the video, I did mention that I created a Hey Boo little file, and I'm going to give that to Anna, and she can share that with you, or you can email me, and I have that anyway. But I just love how this little gingerbread girl turned out. I just added on some stitches to her face, but pretty much everything else comes with it except for this little bow and of course little candy pieces. But you get the little dress and the hearts and the nose and the eyes and everything you need to do to make this cute little baby here. So guys, definitely check out DIY ArtBin Store. And also, if you want to get this Tombstone, this is a digital from LD Digital on Etsy. And again, Lace Boutique 1 for the Love of Art is on Etsy. That's Anna. And then, guys, don't forget to, again, please pick this up. It's so darn cute. He's got like a bazillion. I mean, or a gazillion, however you want to say, of these adorable gingerbread dies. So anyway, you guys will be seeing a lot more from me. And guys, right after this is the tutorial, so if you want to stick around for the tutorial, stay tuned. It'll be next. Okay, so I just want to let you know that this is what the designs from For the Love of Art by Lace Boutique 1. These little papers are actually from her Sweet But Wicked 3, and you get it for $4. Now, I will tell you that I actually put this design into this gravestone, so you will not find this gravestone on there. I cannot post or list this because this actual gravestone is from another designer on Etsy. I just happened to add the paper design into it. And also, I just want to let you know that too, she does have a lighter purple of this. I just changed this to be a little bit darker to match for my little girl's dress. I want to pop a little bit, and I think that I got it to do that. Now, also, she has these little candies, okay? And I just absolutely love them. They are so stinking cute. Look at this. I love the little spider web balloon. Oh my gosh, these are so precious. Let me move this out of the way real quick so y'all can get a better idea. Hopefully I'm on screen. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a little better. Okay, let me move my phone out of the way. I apologize. And look at these. I love these little black and white candies. They're so cute. And I love all the little faces in the candies too. Gosh, guys, she comes up with the cutest little things. I love the ring pop. Oh my gosh, is it not precious? So I'm excited to be able to create a little something with this on papers. And so anyway, we will get back to our little girl. Oh, and I just want to let you know, I am going to give this to Anna so she can share this with you. This is a little Hey Boo that I created, and hopefully she'll put that in there for you. If not, I can get it to you if you email me at saltybeachscrapperdesigns@gmail.com, okay? But in the meantime, let's find out if Anna will add this into that collection, okay? So anyway, I will be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I cut out my little gingerbread girl in many different colors and patterns of paper. Okay, actually I only just did this one as the pattern paper, but I wanted to make her look like a goth gingerbread girl. I don't know if that's really going to work, but anyway. And the edging that I did around her is this diamond press, and this one is called A as in Apple, S as in Sam, T as in Tom, M as in Michael, D as in Dog, 4236. So in case you need that, let me see if I can. Of course, it's not going to focus. It never does. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. And so now let's go ahead and start putting our little girl together. So I'm going to go ahead and add this on the back here. Oops. Yeah. I'm going to put her just like that. And whoops. I think I am going to have to wipe this off. Okay, sorry, I had a dry wiping and I don't know what happened to it, so hopefully I don't mess this up. But let me just make sure I got her positioned properly. Oh, I got a lot of glue on here. I'm going to move it up just a smidge. And I'm actually just going to double layer her dress. And I'm going to get out my little foam tapes here. And then I'm going to put it on the back of her dress just to pop it up. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of glue on top so this way I can position it where I need to. Oh my goodness, this is so stinking cute. I am so ready for Halloween. If y'all know me, you know I am Halloween obsessed. And it's always so fun to create. And I'm trying to get ahead of schedule this year. I hope that makes sense. But anyway, now I'm going to go ahead and add on her little hands there. Actually, this is not, I need it to actually be underneath. Guys, I'm just making a mess here. Let's just do a little smidge. I'm going to let that dry up for a second. Just got to be careful with this stuff because it does dry pretty fast. I'm going to use my little pokey tool. And I'm just going to put this right, oops, underneath here. Probably should have done this first. I kind of hope they add like shoes for these little guys. I think that would be fun. So we'll see what DIY ArtBin comes up with. I'm going to move this a little bit closer. Okay, and then I'm deciding on whether I want, oops, whoa, my little leg fell off. Oh my Lord, poor little girl. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add on her little buttons. And I'm going to use these little black hearts. Guys, I'm just making sure I'm going to line this up straight. I'm using way too much glue, guys. I'm so sorry. Don't do what I do. Super cute. All right, and let's get on her little sleeves. Or ruffles, shall I say? Not sleeves, ruffles. I finally found the nose. It was actually stuck still on my machine. So that's good that I found it because I thought I was going to have to recut it. Although I wouldn't have mine because I'm probably going to make a bunch of these. And where's my pokey tool? Oh my goodness, every time I turn around something's missing. Okay, so now we can just add on our little nose. So cute. And then I haven't decided on whether I'm going to use these eyes or I'm going to use the peachy keen ones because they have the little eyelashes. So let me size that out and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the peachy keen wouldn't really work for this size doll. So I'm going to go ahead and use my little black Sakura pen. And I'm just going to do her little outline, and I love how it has embossed lines. So this makes it super easy for me to do. I'm going to turn this a little bit this way because the lighting is better sometimes. Oops. See, I hate it when I do this. Okay. And then I can go ahead and draw in my little mouth. Oh, Lord. I'm really messing this up. I just might have to fix this and call it stitches. Okay. That doesn't look too bad. I mean, I'm just trying to fix up what I messed up. Okay, and then I have my little eyes, and I think I might have to cut these out in white. Hold on. Okay, so I did go ahead and cut out the little background of the eyes for the white right there. And okay. We're just going to go ahead and center that. So cute. And then I decided that I'm going to add a smaller little heart right in here. Okay. See if that's, maybe not. Let's do the smaller one. There, that worked. How cute is that? Okay. And now I haven't decided on whether we're going to do a black bow or I'm going to find a striped one, although this does look pretty darn cute, guys. I'm almost wondering if I should leave her eyes like that because she kind of looks like a zombie. I don't know. But it is so adorable so far. Let me think about this. Maybe I'll just leave it because we have the little lollipop here. Yeah, we'll leave it. We'll leave it black. Oh my goodness, this has turned out so stinking cute. I should have cut this out twice. Let's see what we've got here. Yeah, I definitely, should I do the big lollipop so that it looks, yeah, let's do the big lollipop. Oh my gosh, I'm just loving this. I adore this. I adore it. And then we're going to have Hey Boo. I almost want to get this. I don't know if I can do that. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to mess with this a little bit more, and then I'll be back with the finished project because I'm sure you don't want to wait for me to just sit here forever doing this. So anyway, I'll be right back. Well, guys, I'm so excited how she turned out. I just love her. I added in some more stitches on her face. And of course, I used a lot of the elements from Anna's Wonderland. And oh my goodness, this is just so precious, guys. Please check out DIY ArtBin Store and get this die because you could do so many things with it. You could do Valentine's, you could do Halloween, you could put so adorable. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. And then again, don't forget to visit For the Love of Art by Lace Boutique 1. That's Anna's shop to pick up some of these digis. Hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, guys. Bye.